Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Atex Adventures. My name is Jared, and today is a boating day. Actually, today is a jet ski day. Well, both. So I am in River Place, Texas, the land of milk and honey that lies right outside of Austin, Texas. It backs up to the Colorado River, also known as Lake Austin in these parts. And I'm headed down to Emma Long Metropolitan Park, where I'm going to launch the jet ski. I have a friend out on Lake Austin today that I'm going to go visit that I haven't seen in probably a couple years, so it'll be good to see him. And we're just going to run up and down a little bit, and then we're headed out to Lake Travis to meet up boating friends on the lake later today. So come along for the ride, and let's go have an adventure.
Hey guys, before we get out on the water, I wanted to ask you to watch till the end of the video, where I give you an update on what's happening in my life, as well as what's happening with the channel. We'll see you in a few.
Woo! So we made it out. We put in at Emma Long State Park and then came down to, we're at 360 Bridge right now. This is all the boat ramp madness that happens at 360 Bridge on a Saturday. So these are all people here, guests, waiting to get on their charter boat, their pontoon boat. Look at all those boats under there loading charter guests to go out and hang out in the cove. And then there's this McYana boat store. I don't know what that's all about. We saw it the other day, but I'm sure we'll find out today. See, this is what happens. They all pack, like, you know, basically 25 people to a big pontoon boat like that, or party barge, and then they go out for the day. Now we are going under the 360 Bridge, Pennybacker Bridge, headed over to Party Cove. Again, there's the 360 boat ramp over there. Still a busy place. So this is Party Cove on Lake Austin, also known as Bull Creek Cove. It's still early in the day, 12:17. There'll be a lot more people out, but lots of rental pontoon boats, party barges. Used to be a lot of personal boats in here, and there's still some, but there are a lot of rental pontoon boats these days. People hanging out on the lily pad.
Hey, it's me again. If you're enjoying the scene on Lake Austin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to stay to the end for an update on what's happening in my life and with the channel.
So this is the iconic Ski Shores Cafe. This place is, you can get to it by car or by boat. They have courtesy slips for your boat to dock up there when you're inside eating, in the front here, and then along the side in that channel right there. We come here with a little boat, and sometimes we'll take the motorcycle over here by land, but they have a nice lake menu, great drinks. Get out your wallet because it's not cheap, but they have live music on Friday and Saturdays that play in that stage right there. And it's just a really cool spot to hang out on a Saturday or Sunday or any day of the week for that matter. So Ski Shores Cafe, check it out. surfers here behind the wake boat, surfing tandem. Some of the cool stuff you see out here on Lake Austin. Well, that was a great day out on Lake Austin on the jet ski. So happy to have seen a couple friends that I haven't seen in quite some time. Jason, shout out to you, and Von, shout out to you and your son. Had a great time, and also Medler Captain on Lake Austin, Hannah, nice to meet you. Fun going on the jet ski ride with you. So had a great time. Now we're headed out to Lake Travis to meet our friends out there. Everybody have a great week and see you on the next adventure.
Everyone, thank you for watching and sticking around for this brief update on what's happening in my life and what's happening with Atex Adventures. Some of you may know I left my company after 21 years in January and decided I wanted to vlog many of my fun adventures around Austin, Texas for you on this channel. This channel obviously has a water bias to it, as I spend much of my free time on the water here in Central Texas. As I've been reflecting and exploring what's next for my career, I've decided to pursue my passion for boating and helping others to have a great time on the water. So, I'm officially working on becoming a U.S. Coast Guard licensed yacht captain. I'm currently working on retrologging all of my sea service days, taking the captain's courses, and will be headed to Fort Lauderdale in July to take basic safety training so that I can work as crew on larger yachts and inspected vessels. So what does this mean for the channel? Well, in my new career, I will have many more adventures out on the water, and I plan to take you with me as I explore new places, meet new people, and teach others how to make the most of their boating and yachting experience. This is an exciting yet challenging journey that I'm truly looking forward to, and I would be privileged if you would join me with your support. How can you do that? Just liking these videos and subscribing to my channel would mean so much to me. I also expect that in the coming months, I will be rebranding the channel to include more scope than just Austin. So you guys will get to see adventures that span other geographies, bodies of water, different vessels, etc. Thanks again to all of you watching, and stay cool out there. We'll see you on the next adventure.